Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Seppi Christian again. Now today we're going to look about spot trading on Binance and how you can be able to make money while trading crypto on Binance. You can trade from anywhere you are in this world, so make sure you stay on this video so that you can learn something, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so that you can help this channel to grow and add on value to the people. So you can see, as you can see, there's a chart and they opened the trade right now. It's the BTC against the USDT. Normally you trade the BTC against USDT because USDT is the stable coin, so you can't lose any coin of yours. So you can see the red ones are the open open orders, which the people are selling. Red means that people are selling, and then the blue, the green, these green ones, they mean that this is the price. The open orders for people who are buying the coin, the Bitcoin. You can see when there are specific numbers which you can see that people are trying to buy. So when that order comes in, when you place an order, it comes in the address book, and then it launches, it places itself automatically. So here you go, here on, you can see here the order I placed here, it went this side. You go, there's limit, market, and stop limit, and also the ones we shall look up in the next video. But today we're going to look at limit and market. Put 99% or 100% of your assets and buy or sell the Bitcoin. On that panel on my right side, as you can, on your right side, as you can see, when you place an order here, it goes down to the address book, and when that order comes, that price comes in the address book, then your order will be placed. All right guys, that's the brief way you can make. You can trade Bitcoin or any other coin on Binance. So stay tuned. In the next video, I think we shall be seeing on how to strategize on the LCO, limit and market order, so that you can be able to maximize the profits. The people are making money off cryptocurrency, and you don't need to be left out. All right.